Welcome to Multinet Design. In this particular tutorial, we are working on based on different level entirely. This is a new project, so it's a new design that I did for certain allergy like that. This project is long, but I just saw the picture now, so let me bring it to start teach yourself towards that. A floor plan of it's of a plan of a plot was sent, and what is the uniqueness of this is that this design carry out, let me show you so I'll be able to explain it for you. This is the elevation as far as I've done so far. So this is actually the design of the whole thing. So this design contains that is going to be abhorring at least tenants by 5 or 6 tenants. So the house is going to like story building. So the ground floor plan is going to be for, you see, one side is completely duplex, while the other side is for flats, just like a chalet for people, something like that. So I want to bring this unique experience to everybody so that we can start learning a new thing in a different way. So this is how far I've gone, and you can imagine the elevation. This is the probably the elevation that I was able to create by then. So we work towards this one until we get everything right. And so let us start with the new project as we normally do. Now, this is the template. I've told you before, you can create your own template. Always have your own template to start with. So I will not start from the beginning, I just start from design straight. So a plot of land is given at the, let's say one, just use a line to draw that. I'm going to say from 36. I actually want to do it in a vertical form, so I don't want to do the horizontal this time. So I want to go like this. So I'm going to draw like that. Very big. So let's say a plot is 18,000 by 36,000. So that's the standard plot in Lagos. So this is because this unique building is situated in Lagos. So that's how I drew. Now the point is that I need to first set the background and the setback, which is modify. Use this 3 meter by saying 3 meter on this part, and another one here. Look at the back, and you have to set the front. So sometimes I just leave the front in the 6 meter for now. Then the design will continue. So my area of focus is just this position. So I'm going to do everything we are going to do here. So at this junction. So and now the specification is that I need a complete duplex at the front, because he said he has a mother, one mother has to live there. He wants almost everybody in the house to have a room or things like that. So I have four divided into two before I started the journey one after the other. And it's going to take a lot of complete style. So but we have to take our time and start studying this one after the other. So I'm starting straight up by getting the door. Now all the ground floor, what we have there is the living room and dining, then kitchen, then we have a guest room at the ground floor plan. While we move to the top, then we have ante room. We have different kind of room, but for let us focus one after the other. So let us design the ground floor plan, especially the client side. So I'm going to start by saying architecture, pick up this. Yeah, we start increase this one to 3,000 because of the head height. So then you start the project. So what the first thing we need to do is to start the demarcating process. How do you do that? Let us divide into two first. So what we need next is that we need to get a living room. So I'm going to do my living room. So let me just get this right before we start breaking it one after the other. So for those who you can follow the dimension one after the other the way I'm drawing it, because that's the beauty of it. As you are drawing, the dimension is showing after you. But if you are not, then you can just like, let me give you the temporary one. The total site is this setback of this. Then from here to here is 12 meters. So within that 12 meters, we want to create what we want to create. So let us move on. So what I need to do is that he has a big living room, very big one. Actually, he told me that categorically everything and he wants cantilever, and that is where the challenge comes from. Because in cantilever now, I have to work on based on this, so that I have to shrink the building a little bit. So yeah, I set back it without copy to something like 1 meter each. Understand? So I do the same thing. No. So I push it back. This one is giving ready. Just like, let me just push it to the proper level. So I push it to 1 meter. Yes, it is. So I do the same thing here too. 1 meter more, or copy more. 1 meter instant inside. So I'm going to say 1 meter. So now the first thing I need to create now is the, so from here I start the join all the way from here. So what will I do? I do this to this level. So what does it mean? I need to get my entrance at this place. So the next is that I draw this inside. So from here I'm going to get my, okay, this is going to be serve my ante room. So now in this position now I'm going to create from here just to have a space for the dining. Yeah, so I'm going to do dining like that. So the next aspect of which I have to focus upon is the kitchen and everything. So but for now I'm going to continue design the whole thing. Now let me quickly explain the way the whole thing looks like. Now this is the design according to the style of what that the person needed. So what do I do here is that I've already given this position, like this is going to be the entrance, because they are going to enter from here. They are not going to enter directly from just enter straight. You're going to enter direct from here. They enter, manipulate themselves into the living room. So this is going to be for the circulating living room area. So the next aspect is that I'm going to focus this, link this one to something that's going to go to back. Then from there I will start doing what I need to do, because this is going to have a kitchen, and after the kitchen, very big kitchen and store for that matter. So after which then the guest room is going to be there as well. So all those things I'm going to be focused. So now I'm going to design them quickly so that we have the clean site gets ready as this particular video is concerned. So if there's any other adjustments, we're going to be doing that. Now I want to penetrate into this area, so don't be offended, it's just a process. So if I get to be some level, we see that we cannot go there, we adjust. But one thing is that be sure that we are going to get things done faster. So here is the total length from the living room. So we are going to have staircase as well living here. So we have here, then we cut it off from here to the level. So what do we need to have? We need kitchen. So from here I'm going to say kitchen is going to be here. So the cantilever stays. So how do we do, and what do we do now? We have created what we need to create. So I'm going to remove this one for now. So my whole kitchen is going to be here completely. This is my kitchen. So the entire kitchen is here. So why we focus here to be our bedroom. So here it's going to be the bedroom. Understand? So then we have bathroom or whatsoever that we need to have at some level. So the reason is that I'm going to create this one, so every entrance start from here. So let me quickly put doors, just anoint it to represent any time I'm going to get everything done. So entrance from here to this point. So we have a kitchen to be staying here. So I'm going from the kitchen now. I will have this place in order. Then I will draw this to give me this one. So I'm going to break this one into two, so that we have, okay, then we do this. So you see now, so that is the part in which I've created, and it is the part in which I've ready. So kitchen here, store a big kitchen for that matter. Look at the dimension. You're going to see that it's like a very large extended kitchen, because that is exactly what we wanted. So the dining to a big area, because I'm going to use that part as a dining. So we still have what to do. This anteroom, very big space. So then the front, this is this one. So some of which we are still going to adjust, but the diagram is being systematically created, which is what the living room. When we get it here now, let me quickly create floor so that I'll be able to put templates for those who want to understand it as we move to the next level. So store that, then component. So from the components, as we know, my style of a sofa is always here, so it's going to be here. So I'm going to get a component again, then which is what do I name it? So I think I need dining, which is this one. I'll put down here. So some other facilities can be likened to this, but for now I just need to bring all those things so that you'll be able to represent what you have created. So this is the, but no, I'm not going to use this particular one. I'm going to use, because what I have is just a guest room. So I have another kind of bed space that I can use. Okay, where is it? So I'm going to use this one. So I'm placing this one here. So the kitchen cabinets, I'll get used to that and get them in full. So, and so that everything will look more neat and recommended and recognized. So this is the kitchen cabinet, the entire one. So this one is going to be here. Then we later do the details. So this is the kitchen. Get the door. Put the kitchen. So you will wonder where is the toilet is for the visitor toilet. So we're going to have the visitor toilet somewhere here. So from the because it's a large house, so there's no need of managing anything. You have this one to be here as well. So this is going to be, you can use this design for your client and just modify a little bit of it and get it done. So now with this diagram, now you have seen that we have created something. So this is the toilet for these guests, and this is the store, and this toilet. So it's simple and design. So in the next tutorial we are going to detail it out. Then we work on the basic things and arrange the whole ground floor, then before we move to the next upper floor. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial as we start this project. God bless you.